Jason Washington, age 45. Washington was a Navy veteran and an employee of the United States Post Office in downtown Portland. Washington was married with 3 kids and 1 grandchild.
Kendra James, age 21. James' death prompted a fresh outrage in the black community, which has long complained of police racism and misconduct in Portland. James was a mother of 2.
Keaton Otis, age 25. Keaton loved foreign languages, art, his bicycle, and his dog. Still, Felicia and Joseph Otis worried about their son, a young black man in a city that isn't always kind to them.
George Floyd,
Brianna Taylor,
Elijah McClain,
Trayvon Martin,
Ahmaud Arbery,
Eric Garner,
Michael Brown,
Amir Rice,
Sandra Bland,
Tony Stevenson,
Castillo,
Deontay Keller,
Tatiana Jefferson,
Fred Hampton,
Emmett Till.